Welcome to the Test Prep Card channel. This video is going to be about the topic VIT EEE exam, and in this video we are going to cover some important topics regarding VIT EEE exam like the exam pattern, the eligibility criteria, the syllabus of the exam, the important books for the exam, the good colleges for the exam. So VIT EEE stands for Vellore Institute of Technology Engineering Entrance Examination. So it is an undergraduate test which is conducted once in a year. Unlike some other common examination, it is conducted only for a specific college called Vellore Institute of Technology. Eligibility of VIT EEE exam. So the basic exam eligibility is that you should have passed your class 12th examination with a minimum of 60% in PCM. Okay, only for PCM. You should not include the other subjects. In physics, chemistry and math, you should have an aggregate of 60%. But if you are in 12th standard, then also you can give the examination. But for the admission into VIT colleges, you should have a minimum of 60%. Let's move to the important dates for VIT EEE exam. So the important dates include the application form, which is already opened. Okay, application form is opened from November 30, 2020, and you can fill the application form till March 30, 2021. Okay, and the exam date are not out yet, but let us take some exam date from the previous year data, and you can just take the examination date near to that date which I am telling according to previous year data. Like the expected date for admit card is first week of April. The expected exam date is second week to third week of April, and the result will be out most probably in the fourth week of April or the first week of May. So pattern for VIT EEE examination. So there are a total of 5 sections in the exam paper, namely physics, chemistry, maths, aptitude and English. There are a total of 35 questions from physics, 35 questions from chemistry, 40 questions from mathematics, 10 questions from aptitude and 5 questions from English. So there are total of 125 questions, and each question consists of 1 marks. If you do a question correctly, then you will get 1 marks. If you get it wrong, then you will not be getting any negative mark. There is 0 mark for any wrong answer or any question that is not attempted. So there is no negative marking in the examination. So let us discuss about the VIT colleges. Okay, so there are total of 4 VIT college campus all over India. The first one is the main campus, which is VIT Vellore, and it is the best VIT college of the 4. Okay, second one is VIT Chennai. Third one is VIT Bhopal, and the fourth one is VIT Andhra Pradesh, which is in Amravati. Okay, so there are total of 4 colleges of VIT. Let me tell you about the VIT EEE exam centers. So in almost every Indian state and union territory, there is an exam center for VIT EEE examination, and there are about total 130 exam center cities for VIT all over India. And talking about the VIT centers outside India, so there are total 4 VIT centers outside India, 4 VIT EEE exam centers. First one is in Kuwait, then second one is in Qatar, third one is in Dubai, and fourth one is in. Moving ahead, let me tell you about the NRI ebook prepared by Test Prep Card for NRI students, and you can download it from the description of the. Move to the VIT exam mode. So it is an online examination, and generally it is a computer based test, and the total exam duration is 2.5. VIT EEE total seats. So there are a total of about 6,000 to 7,000 seats in all the 4 campuses of VIT. But these 7,000 seats, it doesn't mean that these are of computer science engineering or of top branches. These are the total engineering undergraduate seats in VIT EEE 4 campuses. In VIT 4 campuses, so there are a total of about 900 to 1,000 seats for computer science engineering, out of which 722 seats are in Vellore campus, which is the main campus and the best college under VIT EEE examination. For the reservation, so there is no reservation in VIT EEE examination. It means that all the students are treated equal. Let us move to the one more very important topic, which is the cutoff for the VIT colleges, and we will be talking about 2 top colleges, which is VIT Vellore and VIT Chennai. Okay, so we will be talking about the top branches and top 2 colleges for VIT EEE examination, and the cutoff for VIT Vellore computer science engineering is a rank under 7,000. Means you should have a rank under 7,000 for getting a seat in computer science engineering in VIT Vellore campus. This is taken from the previous year data. Okay, for information technology branch in VIT Vellore, you should have a rank under 8,000. For mechanical engineering branch, you should have a rank under 12,300 in VIT EEE examination. For electronics and communication engineering, you should have a rank under 15,500. For chemical engineering, you should have a rank under 19,000. And for civil engineering, you should have a rank under 35,000 in the VIT EEE examination. So these are the previous year cutoffs for VIT Vellore campus. Now let us move to the VIT Chennai campus, which is treated as the second best college under VIT EEE examination. So for computer science engineering branch in VIT Chennai, you should have a rank under 14,000. For mechanical engineering in VIT Chennai, you should have a rank under 32,000. For electronics and communication engineering, you should have a rank under 25,000. For civil engineering, you should have a rank under 40,000. And for fashion technology, if some of you are interested in fashion technology, then you should have a rank under 55,000 for VIT Chennai campus. So hope the cutoff related things are clear to you for the top 2 colleges under VIT EEE. Now let us move towards the last topic, which is VIT EEE best books and syllabus. Okay, so for any examination, there is an important need to know about the books which are best to prepare for the particular examination. So I will tell you the best books for VIT EEE examination subject wise. So we will be first discussing about the books for physics. So the best books for physics for VIT EEE examination is the number 1 is H.C. Verma. H.C. Verma volume 1 and volume 2 is considered as a very good book for the preparation of VIT EEE. The second book is the D.C. Pandey. The writer name is D.C. Pandey. It is a very good book to solve the numericals related to VIT EEE examination. Apart from this, you should read your NCERT books very thoroughly. Okay, let us move to the books for chemistry. So for organic chemistry particularly, a book named O.P. Tandon is very good. Okay, and for physical and inorganic chemistry, you should focus on your NCERT book called Target VIT EEE by Disha publication. The book is also very good. Okay, now let us move towards the last book, which is for mathematics. And for mathematics, the best book for VIT EEE examination is R.D. Sharma. Okay, R.D. Sharma volume 1 and volume 2 you should solve for 11th and 12th, and it is considered as a very good book for maths for VIT EEE examination. Apart from this, the book set of Arihant publication is also good. These are different 5 to 6 books for different topics of mathematics. Okay, now let us move toward the syllabus for VIT EEE examination. So the syllabus for VIT EEE examination is the same as the syllabus of your 11th class and the 12th boards of your respective board. Okay, there is no change in the syllabus. So hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, do like. For more updates, subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, then comment down, or you can also contact us through the link given in the description.